This is the final video of a 5-part series about filling the gaps. So as a recap, this is sort of a river analogy, and these are stepping stones across the river. So I think of test taking as you're starting on this bank, and then you need to get across to do well on the test. And sometimes we get wet, and sometimes there's lots of stuff going on. But these stepping stones are really the way of assessing that we're getting across the river successfully. So asking for help. This is number 5. We've talked about a couple of different ways that we can universally fill these gaps, but number 5 is asking for help. And this is important because sometimes these gaps are just huge, and sometimes it's a personal thing that we just don't understand, and sometimes it really is that the way things are taught doesn't make sense to us. So there's a couple different ways we can ask for help, and universities tend to have lots of resources, and even high schools tend to have lots of resources. The number one way to ask for help is to go to office hours or to go talk to your teacher. There's a lot of stuff that can happen when you're one-on-one with a teacher that can't happen in a class where they're trying to do class control and they're trying to get everybody through. But if it's just you, it's so much easier for them to help you. Let's see. And then another way to ask for help is to go to a tutoring center. Sometimes high schools offer tutoring centers, and I know a lot of colleges do, where you can go get help with writing, you can go get help with math, you can get help with science. And another way of asking for help is just getting a tutor. This is sometimes the fastest way to fill gaps because they know how to cross that river. They've done it before, and they can help you structure your journey in a little bit less of a frustrating way. So these really are the 5 universal ways that I have seen students know how to cross the river. A lot of what I do is helping students kind of strategize for all classes, but tutors really are important if it's subject specific, and say you just need help with statistics or you need help with physics or chemistry, and you've exhausted all your other options. Sometimes just having somebody else come in, either as a tutor or as a peer who seems to be getting it, it just makes it a lot less frustrating and can help you be more successful. So if you have any questions, email me, jessica@diyhomework.com. Thank you.